is Miss Donita, and this is my friend, Alicia. Alicia. And Alicia and I were just about to watch a Story Bites video featuring Miss Annette. And Miss Annette is going to teach us a song about a city bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Alicia, that's not the song that Miss Annette is going to teach us, but that's a very good song. A very good song. You did a very good job. Have you ever been on a city bus before? No, I've just been on a school bus. Okay. And the school bus picks up students from home and takes them to school, and then when school is over, brings the students back home. Okay, but a city bus is different. Anyone can get on a city bus as long as they pay to get on. So, let's see. Since you guys are here, why don't we all watch together to see what type of customers get on the city bus that Miss Annette is going to sing about?
Hi, good morning and welcome to our Story Bites. I have a very special song for you today. It's called City Bus. And on our city bus, we have some very special passengers, okay? Our first passenger is a hippopotamus. Our second passenger is a cow. And our third passenger is a sheep. So, when they get on our bus, we gotta slide over for them. Let's start by patting our legs like this, okay? All right. A hippopotamus got on the city bus. And all the people said, "You're squishing us!" Now, a cow got on the city bus. And all the people said, "Move over." And last, a sheep got on the city bus. And all the people said, "Back up." Oh my, what a fun ride on our city bus.
Well, that was a fun song about the city bus. I loved it. Yes, it was a fun song to sing. And I hope you guys loved it too. Well, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.